This is a Honda Pilot 2011. I went to fishing today, and a police lady on the way to the beach, a police lady pulled me over and told me my brake light is broken. So I bought these two bulbs, and let's see what kind of thing we can see. Okay, my assistant is going to hit the brake, and let's see if there's a difference. Okay, this side has no difference. Let's see this side. Can you hit the brake again? Okay. Okay, there's a difference. Probably the bulb. I would say, okay, maybe the middle one is broken. Okay, today is late. I'm going to change it tomorrow. Okay, now let's change the brake light. First, here has two screws. We need to remove them, and you can use this kind of tool. Okay. Okay, here we go. There's one. Here has another one. Now we needed to remove this part. Here has two pins, so we needed to pull this part out. It's very difficult. Okay, it was really difficult to pull this part out. So I put a ribbon here, and let's see, the reason I put a ribbon here, you don't want to use any tools here, otherwise you probably will damage pen here. So let's see if this way works. Oh, it works. Great. Okay, you can see here are the two pins I was talking about. So our brake light should be this one. I think it should be just counterclock. Okay, this is a light bulb. I'm going to replace this one with a new one. I put the gloves on because I do not want to put the grease on the bulb. So it should be just to pull out. Yep, this is a bulb. And here are my new bulbs. These two should be the same. Just make sure. This is 7443. This is 7443. Here's a new bulb, and should be quite easy. Just put it in. Yep. And then put this back and lock it clockwise, and you could hear a click sound. Okay, now basically it's done. So what we need to do is put this back. Okay, it should be right position, and just push in. that should do it. And next step, we will just put the screws back. Okay, again, here are the screws. Okay, that's one. These screws are quite special, so try not to lose it. Okay, this should be done. Okay, we are going to test it now. Okay, could you please hit the brake? Okay, hit again. Okay, the light is on. Great. And how about this side? Okay, can you release the brake? Hit it again. Okay, wonderful. Thanks a lot. Okay, it means this works. Thanks for watching.